Mario, and I'm here to give y'all my weekly outlook for the week of. Let me look at my calendar, just so we can verify, the predictions and all that. Today is Sunday, the 22nd. From Sunday to Friday, the week of the 22nd of September, right? So I'm gonna start off by saying we are near. I already got the chart marked up, so I'm gonna just go over my markups with y'all. So we are near August highs, right? If you look at ES, we've been swept August highs, and if you look at YM, we've been swept August highs, right? NQ has to catch up. So for right now, I'm temporarily bullish, meaning we have to find the draw of liquidity, right? So if we go down to the weekly time frame, as we can see, we made a high, made our low. So then we would get our gamma box, which shows us our premium and discount. So you go from the high to the most recent low, and as you can see, we are in a premium area. So you want to find out where this price wants to go. What's the draw of liquidity? What is price targeting? So now it's our job to find out where price wants to go before that reversal. So our first PD array is on a weekly time frame. We have a weekly CB right here, right? So I want us to sweep August highs into this CB, meaning a bearish fair value gap. And inside of there is a daily fair value gap. And we have S&T. So S&T is a divergence between multiple indices. So we have a new low on NQ, but on ES we have a new high. So that's the S&T, as you can see, a sign of a reversal. That's why we dropped Friday. That's why we had a Friday reversal. But now I know the draw liquidity is our daily CB. So after analysis plays out for the first half of the week, I want us to be bullish, hitting this area of this daily fair value gap inside of this weekly, and we drop. Then we start dropping, and we probably retrace back up, but we keep dropping because the election, especially if Kamala win the election, we could turn this into a bearish market. I do see us turning into a bearish market because you got to realize we have to pay for all the stimulus checks, that's why we have so much high interest rates and stuff like that, because we got to pay all that stuff back. PPP loans, interest, stimulus checks, all that has to be, we printed so much money without the government making a return. So that money has to come back somehow, some way. So I like to check all my time frames, seeing what's up. Finding draw liquidity, signs of reversal, stuff like that. So we're on a daily time frame. Go to the 4-hour. I have a breaker marked out somewhere. I'm trying to figure out why. Is it a monthly breaker? Not a monthly breaker. All right, basically let's go down to the lower time frame. So for this day, I see Asian expanding. So what I want to happen is we expand, we retrace back down. And after retracing, and after showing y'all the strategy for London session, after we retrace, I want us to target previous week and previous month highs this week. This is the X phase of the month, meaning we can see an energetic push in the market for a continuation of the distribution phase, or we can see a reversal. But before we reverse, I want to see us tap that PD array and take out that buy side liquidity on a higher time frame, because ES and YM took out the August highs, but NQ didn't. So NQ has to catch up. Once all that happens and it lines up, and we have the right S&T at the top, we can see a reversal back to the downside, and we can catch those sales long term in the market. After showing y'all the strategy for London session, after we retrace, I want to target previous month highs, we can make some money. So I do have a plan to swing puts in the options field, options, because I want us to be bearish temporarily for a moment. But yeah, this is my analysis for the week. Tuesday creates that high. Tuesday can create the low of the week too, but you got to see what Tuesday do. But I do want us to sweep previous month highs, and that's gonna be real easy because we are right here. I told y'all last week that we was gonna tap into those that previous month high because the other two did, and it is now playing out. So very excited for us to come. I hope we all react and can catch these nice moves this week, and I will catch y'all and see y'all later.